Hello friends, welcome back friends. I'm really sorry for the late reading. I was quite busy, so could not do the reading for you. Let's see what's going on between your person and the third party. Let's begin the reading. And I've done the same kind of reading for my Hindi channel also. The same cards are opening here also. The Three of Pentacles. Definitely some kind of talks are going on between your person and the third party. Some long discussions are going on between your third party and your person, because Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands cards is coming. Actually, that the relation between your person and the third party was very good in the past. You all know that. It was very good and very passionate also. I'm telling you that it was very passionate, but now the base of this relationship has shaken now, because both your person and the third party are indecisive about each other. They both are in a two of pentacles position. They both are thinking about this relationship, whether they have a future with them, or whether they can continue so long for in this relationship. Actually, they are thinking about this. What is making me think about this this way is because the hangman and the two of cups is coming in the reverse. This relationship of your person and the third party has suspended for a time being, or they are not in much talking terms, or they are in a not in a completely talking terms, I could say that, because the two of cups is completely coming in reverse. When two of cups comes in reverse, the persons are either on the verge of breaking up, or they are not talking at all. This kind of things is going on, which is because the four of wands is coming. So completely the base of their relationship, the foundation of their relationship has shaken up, you can say that. Something like this had happened in the relationship that has shaken the base of this foundation of this relationship, and they both are in this reversed energy on the verge of breakup. I don't know why, but they are on the verge of breakup. See, again I'm telling you now, your person is getting very emotional, and eight of swords card is coming. So I feel definitely your person is getting free from the third party, or they are coming out of the third party relationship, because they have made a decision. Your person is trying to make a decision. Two of wands is always about making decisions. So I feel your person is making some decision, and because of that, because of this condition between them and the third party, they are thinking about making some decision. I feel this way. Let's see what's further going on in this relationship. Actually, why this kind of cards are coming, what has happened between both of them, that this thing is coming. See, Six of Swords. Definitely, they both are going through some rough weather. Third party and your person are their relationship is going to a rough weather. I can say that both are in. See, you can see so many of this waves are coming in this relationship. So definitely, some arguments or something or the other is going on between the third party and your person, and they both are trying to move out of this situation. I can feel that, because see, the Ten of Cups and the Three of Pentacles is completely Three of Pentacles is coming in reverse. So whatever relationship they had, or if a person was in a permanent relationship or in a committed relationship, so this relationship, they are not discussing also. If they were discussing also, they are not working together, you can say. In house they are not. So first you see the in the upright position, you could see how they are exchanging the pentacles in this, but this is coming in reverse. So they are not talking, or they are not working together. Even at home, if they are together, they are not talking to each other. This kind of situation is going on. Eight of Swords definitely tells me that something is wrong between third party and your person. Either one of them is torturing other person, or one of the person is harassing other one. The third party is harassing your person. I could say that they are having lot of arguments, they are having sleepless nights, you can also say that. When Eight of Swords comes, a person also has nightmares in the nightmares, what they feel, all negative emotions, negative feelings, all this kind of things is going on in your person's mind. They are not in a good health, you can say that. They are not in a good health, you can say that. Yeah, see, it's confirmed. See, door to the spirit, they are definitely asking answers to the spirit. I feel a person is a, and a third party, both are asking answers to the spirit, what is the future of this relationship. I feel, because both are broken heart. Even third party is broken heart. They are human being, of course. So they are not feeling good at all. See, you can see the condition, how they are feeling helpless, and their heart is completely broken. Even your person is going through the same thing. Their heart is broken, and they are trying to rest and regenerate. They are trying to overcome this pain. Actually, both are trying to overcome this pain, and Archangel Gabriel is telling me, I feel that both are not communicating at all, because and because of that also, they both are very broken heart. Third party and your person, they are having, even if then they are communicating, their communication is not very in good terms. Because of that, both are broken heart, you can say that. Yeah, I feel if you are expecting something good news, you can expect something good news from your person side. I feel this way, because the change is definitely coming. Change is bound to come in your person's life, and they are trying to change their focus by putting themselves in work, or getting themselves busy in their work. But the courthouse is coming. If your person is already married, so I feel they both, third party and your person, can go for a divorce, or they can go for a counseling for a divorce. I feel this way, because whenever courthouse comes, it's very prominent that both the persons involved are not on good terms, and they are thinking of divorce. You can say that they are thinking of divorce, because both are broken heart, and they both feel that there is no future for this relationship. Though they are working very hard to make this relationship, but the change card is coming. So definitely some kind of change is about to come in your person's life. Either they can consult some marriage counselor, or they can consult some lawyers. This is very possible in this relationship. Okay friends, hope you got some idea about your person and the third party, and thanks for watching.